Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new user profile in the Bluebeam Revu PDF reader. So let us guide you through this. So launch the Bluebeam Revu application on your device. And before you start editing your document, guys, what you want to do is click into File in the top left and then, click into the Review icon in the top left and then navigate to Profiles. Here you can choose between your profiles or navigate to Manage Profiles here. Click into Add here and give your new profile a name. So let me go with User Profile 1. Here, capital letter, uppercase, click into OK. And that is going to create your new user profile. As you can see, it's here in that list. So you can click into OK and then switch between your profiles here. You can save also edits and profile changes by clicking into this button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.